Thor, Stormbreaker, the Axe part. Took 29 hours, 31 minutes. This is a print that looks pretty good. I believe it's really good. Best print so far I've had. It's just because I added that little thing from Thingiverse, this vent, and wow. And then this is the hammer part of it. There's some broken supports, but it supported the whole thing. Pretty good. Same thing with this one. Some support broke off. But this print, I was watching it, it was really good. Also added that piece on there. Next one to test out is this piece right here.